Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change page margin size in Google Docs. So firstly open Google Docs and type your data. So friends, here is the margin. If you want to change this margin, so click on File, scroll down. Here is the option Page Setup. So click on it. So friends, you can change the margin size by two methods. First one, select some different paper size which has low margin size, and another one you can change margin size from here. It's as centimeters, so like here 2.52 you can make 5 top bottom and 4 left and 4 is right. And if you like this size for all document or you want to as a default, so click on set as default, and after that click OK. So now you will see you changed page margin size. That's it. So friends, by this easy and simple method we can change page margin size in Google Doc. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.